So hello, my name is Ana Karen Muñoz, and I'm gonna talk about the audit of draw. So the audit of draw is recommended for both the glass and the plastic collection tubes for venipuncture, and is established by the National Commission of Laboratory and the Clinical Laboratory Standards Institute. All additives should be filled to their stated volumes, and the tubes with anticoagulant clot activator must be inverted gently from 8 to 10 times end to end to prevent the clotting. The purpose of the audit of draw is to avoid any contamination and is to avoid possible test results error due to the additive carryover, which means that the additive or the chemicals inside one of the tubes can move from another tube because we are using the same needle. So, and for this particular reason, we cannot mix the specimen from different tubes, and actually don't mix the specimen if we are using the same tubes, even if it's the same additive. And I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so let's see. I have to draw 2 lavender tubes, and I'm gonna use them for many tests, including the potassium one. So for any reason, I just draw one, and the patient is not here and she just left. Okay, so I can't share the specimen that is in this tube because it already is mixed with the additive, with the EDTA. So I can't just add more, because then when I try to run this one for the potassium levels, is gonna be higher. So I can't mix the additives, I can mix the tubes, I can share the specimens, and actually I need to follow the order of draw. So the order of draw is for venipunctures. Start with the blood cultures or the sterile ones, and then it's the sodium citrate, and then it's the serum tubes, which is the red and the gold one. The red could be in plastic or glass. The SST is the plastic one, and then it's the heparin, which are the green ones, and then the lavenders, the EDTA, and the last one is the gray one. So then we have the dermal sticks, and for dermals is just a little bit change on the order of draw, because we're gonna start with the slides to minimize the effects of platelets complaint. And then the lavender tubes, then the coagulant tubes, and the last ones are the serum tubes. So that was just a little bit of the research that I did about the order of draw, and it was just one reason of 100 about why we cannot mix the additives and why we need to follow the order of draw. I think we need to provide a good patient care, and I think we need to make them feel comfortable staying with us. And it only going to happen if we understand why are we doing the things like that, and for what are we doing the things like that. And well, that's gonna be all from me, and thank you so much.